Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple setup process to activate Paramount Plus on your Vizio TV. Follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming your favorite shows and movies in no time. Step 1. Connect your Vizio TV to the internet. Before anything else, make sure your Vizio TV is connected to the internet. You can do this by going to the settings menu, selecting network, and choosing either a wired or wireless connection. Step 2. Access the Vizio Smart TV platform. Press the V button on your remote control to bring up the Vizio Smart TV platform. This will allow you to access various apps and services available on your TV. Step 3. Search for the Paramount Plus app. On the home screen, navigate to the App Store or Vizio App Store. Use the search function to find the Paramount Plus app. You can type in Paramount Plus or scroll through the available applications. Step 4. Download and install the Paramount Plus app. Once you find the Paramount Plus app, select it and choose the Install option. The app will download and install on your Vizio TV. This process may take a few moments. Step 5. Open the Paramount Plus app. After the installation is complete, navigate back to your home screen and find the Paramount Plus app. Click on the app icon to open it. Step 6. Sign in or create an account. If you already have a Paramount Plus subscription, select the Sign In option. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign up for a subscription. Step 7. Activate your device. Once you are signed in, you may be prompted to activate your device. If so, note the activation code displayed on your TV screen. Using a computer or mobile device, go to the Paramount Plus activation website and enter the code provided. Step 8. Start streaming. After successful activation, return to the app on your Vizio TV and start browsing through the extensive library of shows and movies available on Paramount Plus. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.